I want to share a heartfelt message for all of those who couldn't clear the NEET UG exam. Please remember, this setback doesn't define your life. It might feel tough right now, but believe me, there are countless other opportunities waiting just for you. I know you all are very much determined to achieve anything that you want, and you all are definitely going to achieve that. And to help you in your journey, MemoNeet team stands with you to support you, to guide you, and to help you with your preparation for the next NEET UG exam. Now, you can get a flat 1000 rupees discount on the in-app purchases for a combo pack of PCB, that is Physics, Chemistry and Biology, by using the coupon code BOUNCEBACK. So now is the time to stand tall, rise again and bounce back stronger and prove yourself to each and every person who thinks कि बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. Share this video to all of your friends who are going through the exact same phase as of yours, and let them know that they can trust themselves and we are here to help them. Together, let's spread this word of motivation and inspire each other. You have got this. Just a little bit piece of information for you all that the existing offer expires on 18th of June 11:59 PM. So make sure you grab that combo pack before the offer ends.